So we were walking outside going to check on this tarantula that we had seen there before. And so he got, you know, his thing, he started poking it, and I'm looking and I'm like, you know, there's some skinny, really skinny black antenna sticking out. I'm like, I don't remember having antenna. Okay, you're on phone cam again. It is day whatever. Who even knows anymore? We're going to be going down the river. Down the chute is what it's called. Going in tubes, so that's fun. And I'll be filming our trip, so. So basically this time I have a dry bag, but it's connected to me, so I won't lose my phone this time, and that'll be great, because I lost it twice last time, but found it twice too, so. Oh, she's coming with us, isn't she? Yes, we have to make some room. Antoinetta is driving with us. Whose crap is all over this car? Not mine. Surely. My glasses. Hello. Here's our goggles if you want them. Here are some towels. 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 Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Dinosaur tracks. Apparently it's a little detour from this river, and I want to show you over there. You're gonna think that's really cool. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone, and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. With all your missing someone. Missing someone. I am sad and so
Turtle is not good. Okay, ready?
I've known that it would poison all these things. I'm thinking like all of them. Adventure time. Yeah, the parents, the olds couldn't do this.
No. This is adventure for the young.
Wait, okay, now.
You got this. Just do the same thing over to this one.
But I had stuff to hold on to.
If you lean forward, it helps your balance, I feel like. So then come to this tree. Just lean. There's a bunch of like little like footsteps. You got it? You can put your hand on the rock right there too if you want. Just lean down.
Did you go here or up there?
Up. No, not up. Yeah. I stepped up after.
think I'm adventurous.
Here you go.
When in reality,
She's on the ledge, and now we're at the dam. Drop down.
I'm not a dropper. Just drop down.
This is where I pick her up.
Oh.
Pick her up and put her down. So now just walk down the side of the mountain. That's all.
My legs are burning.
Onto the shaky rock.
I'm gonna break my ankle.
There you go. And now we're down. I don't have to lead anymore. Alright, Hannah, turn around. Smile. We did it. So for reference, we were way up back there. Came up along, and then up here and down.
scooting this like I can in a kayak. Oh, I can push. There we go. do this. I don't think it's that Jeep. So we finished up on the river, I don't know what time, but when we got back to the starting point, we got driven back to the starting point to return our tubes and stuff. It was like 5-ish. So now it is a time 6:30-ish, and him and I alone are going to the lake for like an hour to hour and a half. After that, we're gonna go get some more Freddy's, which is exciting and sad. That'll only be the second time to get Freddy's. And when we went last time, we ate inside, but apparently, just like 3 days later, today, we can't go inside anymore. They're getting strict again. So I think I heard the New Braunfels area is one of the places that cases of the stuff is spiking again. So.
Yeah.
You're shattering.
I have goosebumps on my head. Like, I gotta get under the water and come back up.
Want to?
I think you do.
Pardon my dry hair.
You're perfect. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This could be colder just because we're farther towards the bigger water, which is probably colder.
My mommy's not here. I'm scared.
Why?
Because of the deep water.
You 15 seconds. 2, 1, go.
Oh gosh, oh god.
Come on. Kind of hard to tread water when you can reach.
I'm so cold. got goosebumps. Look at the goosebumps.
We're out here and look at what we see walking across the ground.
Hello, Missy.
Wow, what a beauty. Alright, now, for real, so we just got out of the car and look at what we found walking around.
If she turns around, then I'd pull butt because she will run up your leg.
Yep, they run fast.
There's a wasp. There's a wasp. I'm scared. I can't lock it. There's a big wasp sitting right there. It flew away. To eat such a big meal before coming here because we're both really full. But we planned on eating there before we knew we were staying an extra day and could actually come here. But this is a place that we came a day or two ago, but we couldn't get in because it was full. And now it's not full.
It's pretty cool.
Gets dark, that's where the 90-foot cliff is. getting splashed. I really hope you sold it. Coming from every direction. I slipped off the rock. Dun-dun.
My hair. It's like blow dried.
Wow, he is beautiful. Look at that house. Yes. Look, I mean, it's got my garage set up and everything. It's right there. So we are getting ready to go out to eat at the Gristmill, which is that restaurant behind Green Hall, and it's really good and I'm excited. This is my OOTN outfit of the night. My aunt's dress. I feel fancy. Well, not fancy, but like country fancy. Yeah, so that's the update. We went to the lake earlier and that was nice. So waiting. This is Gristmill leftovers. Yeah, so our plans might change. The Gristmill is an hour and 45-minute wait, so we might not do that. So we're going to a pizza place. Third place is a charm, but they're going to seat us right away. I'm excited. I haven't had pizza this whole trip, but other people have had it twice.
First spot was an hour 45. Second spot was 45. And this one was 0.
Right now. You can see us so well, but that was yummy, and we're done. Okay, so see you tomorrow. The lights are being trippy. No. These are harder than I thought.
They're not soft. But,